we are ahead of schedule on the sorting bay.
Excellent. Let's maintain this pace through the next shift.
Watch that pallet coming through. Okay, clear the line for the next batch.
The process begins by feeding the freshly diced mango pieces into the industrial pulper for the initial extraction phase.
The process begins by feeding the freshly diced mango pieces into the industrial pulper for the initial extraction phase.
Precise machine activation ensures the motor reaches the
Inside the pulping chamber, heavy steel agitators break down the fruit fiber into a thick, uniform puree. Inside the pulping chamber, heavy steel agitators break down the fruit fiber into a thick, uniform puree.
High-frequency vibrating screens separate coarse fibers from the pure nectar, ensuring a silky, premium texture.
Technicians manually clear the concentrated fiber residue to maintain an uninterrupted and efficient production flow. Manual valve adjustments stabilize the flow pressure as the nectar moves toward the temporary buffer storage. In the buffer tank, the nectar settles to eliminate trapped air, ensuring a perfectly smooth and consistent mouthfeel. In the buffer tank, the nectar settles to eliminate trapped air, ensuring a perfectly smooth and consistent mouthfeel. Frequent quality sampling allows our technicians to verify the color and clarity of every production batch. The refined nectar is now transferred through insulated silver pipes into the massive vacuum tank for the de-aeration stage. Inside the tank, a slow-speed agitator maintains an even temperature distribution throughout the viscous mango nectar. Excess steam is safely released through the ventilation system, balancing the pressure within the processing hall. Monitoring vacuum pressure is vital to maintain the integrity of the nectar and ensure a sterile environment. After heating, the nectar undergoes rapid cooling. Water-chilled pipes create condensation as they lower the temperature. The tank is sealed airtight to prevent oxidation before the nectar is moved to the final filling line.
Preparation is complete. The pasteurized nectar is now ready for the automated filling and packaging line.
The packaging phase begins as high-quality flat-pack cartons are loaded into the feeder, ready to be transformed into their final shape.
Precision mechanical arms use vacuum suction to snap each carton into a perfect rectangular form instantly.
A synchronized track carries the empty containers at high speed toward the sterilized filling station. A synchronized track carries the empty containers at high speed toward the sterilized filling station.
The filling nozzle descends, delivering the viscous mango nectar with surgical precision to ensure exact volume in every carton.
Every unit is laser-coded with its expiration date and batch number for full traceability and consumer safety.
In between batches, the conveyor line is sanitized to maintain the highest hygiene standards of the facility.
An automated check weigher ensures every unit meets the exact weight requirement, rejecting any outliers from the line. Industrial-grade adhesive tape is applied to
The finished nectar cartons are carefully packed.
A final pass of high-tension tape seals the box. Smart labeling provides real-time tracking and quality data, readying the shipment. The sealed cartons are stacked in a precise
A final inspection confirms load stability. The premium mango nectar is now ready for global distribution.
The loading process begins as a manual pallet jack is positioned. Once the cargo is secured, the heavy doors are locked, sealing the product for a safe journey to retailers worldwide. Once the cargo is secured, the heavy doors are locked.
From tree to table, the journey is complete. Our premium mango nectar leaves the facility, ready for the world to enjoy.